announcement of the police visibility program.
Police visibility now women in traffic light doesn't know can was an alpha for no can was.
Oh, I was in there, yes, sir.
They are only parked under traffic lights and junctions.
Omo Timoto so.
One Timoto so do minister no jesu. Do no. Police visibility ni say me no mienu nya ndati show zo a. Ana brante bi taxi o ka kire wo say okọ adwuma o ponko fi odu fi ne yabu ndan na wian nam nyina. Wo na aka message na so yi so a. So the essence of police visibility with motorbikes and say anka brante ni ba adwuma no aye anka na obenya na say ni area are not here no. Police one na mo tiki ya munu dan ni anwia na mo asane message ama wo. But then police visibility no mo gina traffic light ase. 3, 2, no more junctions. Jump red light, no chase. Microphone going to for me. I'm right. So what you say? No chase. And you no visibility. Visibility in the cell. Who come to UK? No, you're not. What if you now be a window now? Who show what the police need? Me and what I'm window to them officially. And never police visibility. One number of them areas are ready. BBC are apprehended. Now where what motorbikes not all back motorbike in dancing. And all transit trim do and trim
train and hoping.
So you can realize I know what to make no but me not two swa was at the damp bit my jaw. To the extent that Obi, I'm a lawyer. You're a lawyer. There is a saying that the law or before the law we are all day. But in practical sense we are not equal. In practical sense, we are never equal before the law. Ebi wani mu chebi. Yes. Tena mama mpaniti mi tu car number mo. Na kuto fa mpene bo so de nam. Ya akwache ne. Yes. Sane tina ka number plate mo. Yenye equal before the law. Etina mampani ba traffic si onni so ne ebia ma no. Yese o mesene nko. Yenye equal before the say equal de anka so ready so no so gina hobi. Na ye nyina ye gina ma so gina ye nyina ye ko. We are not equal. Won kwala yi yadwuma anom ko hia papa bi no so stop no. Oh, I mean I'm speaking police sense. Sane
ntina o mu hia na friend master no.
Sane ye kan say obi o won bi ka say kwala no. Wanyi kura asene wa obi ka say kwala no bi ni. So and there facha me I normal thing obi ati ase. Me too. Anom ko chi wura bi. Ura no stop no. Wa say ya chine de ne ko eye batwe na area obi.
Unem say kinyansuo.
Ya ne ko ya check when ye. So we are former IGP. Nipa na you ya check.
My sister story no that.
Some ye former IGP.
Former IGP.
Yes.
Wait until you hear what they did to him.
The man was kept at the police station for 3 good hours. A question no idea before instructing the driver say, move the car and let's go to the BCBNC.
A former IGP was kept at
the mechanic one
by these recruits here.
Visibility for
recruits can constables
because damn Paris ya choko hona za damn Paris ma akwansi anyiwa yenyao.
But that's how you instill discipline in
no, what is the use of the divisional commander, the district commander? They have no respect before these recruits.
But how do you ensure discipline if you don't enforce
by respecting order and authority?
Midi can break a man background we are somebody ban say. Discipline be ne say red light strike na. I don't know man panina.
No, e wo mremu so man
panina. Entina maka kira wo say me say we are not equal before the law.